Hi, and welcome back into day 6. So hopefully over the last few days, this technique has started to feel a little easier. Probably without question, there will be a few doubts in the mind as to how focusing on the happiness of others is really going to change our own happiness. But remember this dynamic. The mind, the quality of happiness doesn't really differentiate between other and self, inward and out. The more we can focus on the other, the more we forget about ourselves, not in a negative way, but in a very positive way, and we start to experience that feeling of happiness. But it's also tempting as you move towards the end of the 30 days to think that this is the end of the journey, when really it's just the beginning. So traditionally, when these techniques, these meditation techniques were taught, the first time they were taught, it's really just about learning new information. Of course, we're doing our best to apply the technique, but there's a lot to take on, a lot to think about. The next time we revisit them, it's about practicing the technique. So now we know what we need to do and we can be a bit more confident in our application. We become more proficient at it. And then the third time we revisit, and of course afterwards, it's more about mastering it. So there's no longer anything to really think about. We know what we need to do. We simply need to do it. So as much as possible, try and think about this as a longer journey, not trying to reach some kind of stage or resolution by the end of 30 days, but instead continuing to apply that sense of awareness and curiosity. So I hope you found this pack useful. I hope you enjoy the next 5 days, and I look forward to seeing you back here soon.